Kurumzare ahanbada ngasing murui pauseng Manipur University ki wathoki warochin puruknaba government ka wari sanabada yanaba purukngang khidre Haitoi singthoreba naha kya puthok act is policy ki kanaba mapung phana lohunaba honaba tangai fede haina Governor Dr. Nasma Habtullah haikre amadi Singdu mang kokthok pagi maroi bamaram di atopa lamdagi saidang lakpa miwi masing hangalak padagi ni haina Syam Kumar na phongdok hai Kurumjre ASTV gi Manipuri pau meng tabri sing taramnok sobolo na pau sanro pijre Manipur University ki wathoki waroisin purunaba government ka wari sanabada yanaba purpungang khidre ngase pung mapalda unanaba government matam thakrabasu nungthil pung 3 minute kunthra dagi numidang waram pung 5 minute kunthra phawba pung anirom chief minister secretary wari sakhi wari sanaba duda government ki maikaida chief minister nongthom biren education minister ts radhesyam chief secretary dgp amadi higher education ki commissioner susargakhi Manipur University ki maikaida musu muta amadi mahiroi lof taruki lusing sing sarugakhi wari sanaba lorba matung ISTV ka unabada musu ki president Mayanglamam Dayamanna ngasi wari sanakiba aduda nakal animaki oina yasinaba amata propangandri makatana thubada wari sanakegani loinana fakibo oza amadi mahiroi sing condition yauduna thadoknabagi demand phangdri phawa yasinaba leiroi haike
Hazan kiba mahiroi sing akoi gidi unconditional oina release tawba haiba poche adum thammi haib tare sing matang sida sumaru oina khanni ade tongan ba university related akoi gi issue siga mari laina ba university ki development gi damakta haje security force thamjali ba khosaliba sum man sing ma mayam se sing matang sida wari sanai haib tare adum akoi makha tana wari sanara ba university dam thun no se lakani habi thajab tu sum thamina se pun How's the positive university high court ruling matung da positive development from Lakunina, Lakado yam positive when a Laganda university am to normalcy Halakudo Palm have tare.
Hiram kaya da trend torba hitoi singthoreba naha kaya puthok tuna act is policy kanaba mapung phana lahong naba hona batangai fedi haina Governor Dr. Nasma Habtullah na ngasi assembly gi auditorium da pangtokpa skilling the youth in the wake of India's act is policy from northeast perspective haiba seminar hodobi thorm da haikre Integrated Talent Development Mission Sinno pangtokpa thormaduda Governor na makata na haikibada lisingani kun fawgi manungda India na malem da sel thungi fibam da khwaidi ki sakutpa leiba ama oinan ropanam tamli Aegis policy da India ki North Eastern region ki state singa si yamna maroiba gateway ama oire masida Manipur na tourism yongna local enterprises traditional artisans amadi craftsmen na singba singda hena promote tongna ba tongan tuan ba scheme ka paikali haike
Economic empowerment of traditional artisans and craftsmen meet at for promotion of traditional art and craft of Manipur as well as economic upliftment of traditional artisans and craftsmen. I strongly believe that all the academics, researchers, practitioners, scholars and industry experts who are participating in this seminar will have ample opportunity to exchange and share their views for skill development with the youth in the wake of India's policy. I wish all of you a great success.
Seminar holdopagi thormaduda Deputy Speaker K. Robindra Integrated Talent Development Mission ki Petrol Dr. Swaran Anil Susarwaki Deputy Speaker K. Robindra na atenba matam kharagi manungda Manipur da law and order ki phibam phagatuna asoba ohongba ma lakliba sida nahasingna kanaba loksi act is policy ki makhada leiba scheme amadi policy singbu khangduna masigi kanaba phangona ba honaduna sakhotpa leba ma ONC haike
We can see many differences after 15 years. Right now in Manipur, something has changed, something has come in normalcy. And right now, we would like to all the youth to take this opportunity to develop our region, even the northeastern part of Manipur. As we all know that
Singda umang kokthokpagi maruiba maramdi atopa lamdagi saidanglakpa mioi masing hangalakpadagini haina Forest and Environment Minister T.S. Syamkumar na phongdokre wafam asi andro khunauda MLA Local Area Development Fund gi saba water supply scheme amadi andro khunau nungyungbi youth club ki sanglel sangabagi thoromda mana phongdokhibani thoromaduda andro gi khulakpa CS Gandhar Andro Nagar Panchayat ki chairperson Y Sajok Bakhuman amadi atai masakna ba mioi kya su sarwaki Syamkumar na makata na Singda amadi singya da leba mioi sing masage singi lam nungsiba mahusani makoi di ka hena umang kokthokpagi thabak satade atopa lamdagi sedang lapa mioi sing na hena umang kokthoi turel amadi pat leribe singdagi senthar pangaktani umang yokhatuna mahusagi khal kahendana thamba ngamada natana ising phanganbadasu sauna mating pi lakliba December thadagi Andro dagi yu local market ta phanglaroi mapalam da thadok lagni haike
kungang asyama kungang sina magi chingi amadi patu yang nungsi bi masa khangane ba adana magi nungsi bi sangonda mena madu ka soning wai ba adana akoi migraine hai tare akoi lamlaru me am khunda sa jaga jaga sina lamdam nungsi bi khangwai ba adu umangong ji kokthok kane ba adana I appeal to media they also those migrant also please save the environment me environment kan yo bi yo matam mafam lai bi yo matam dagi nungai ba lo bi yo ba natadana akoi gi ayum hongjale mafam phangai khalaga umangda bakchana kokthakla ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯚꯤꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯥꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯥꯐꯇꯔ ꯁꯝ 4-5 years ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯧꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯎꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯦꯕ
News TV channel amoriba India Today gi political stock exchange ki matungina leba sigi manungda BJP na lengak pa state singi chief minister singi manungda Manipur gi chief minister and Birena khwaidi gi fava chief minister ni haina report tawri amoromda India gi oina rajniti dal gi wanatna khwaidi gi miyam na yaba chief minister singi manungda Manipur gi chief minister and Birena ahum subda leire haina report tawri India Today exists My India poll gi report ki matungina myoisa da yankhai mangana yaba maramna Orissa gi chief minister Navin Patnaik na India gi khwaidi gi faba chief minister manga gi manungda makokta leire West Bengal gi chief minister Mamta Banerjee na miyamna yabgi sangsa da yankhai humdoi da leiduna ani subada amadi miyamna yabgi sangda sada yankhai nithoi oiduna chief minister N Birena ahum suba oire hane report tawri amoromda BJP na lenga pa state singi chief minister singi oinari khwaidi gi faba chief minister singi manungda and Birena ahanba makokta leire haina India Today exists My India poll gi report na tawkibani Arunachal Pradesh ki chief minister Pema Khandu na mari suba amasung Gujarat ki Vijay Rupani na manga subda leire haina report asna makhatari
3 is Biren Singh, once again newly inducted into the BJP, 52%, that's from the state of Manipur. He's a footballer and showed us some dribbling moves when we were with him at the East Conclave. Coming in at number 2, and this is very significant because no matter what you may think of Mamata Banerjee's popularity or her politics, she is at this time in her state the second most popular chief minister nationally. That really is some achievement. She's been in power for a long time now. Despite that, 53% of the respondents want her back as minister once again. That shows how formidable a leader she is. And I doff my hat to the man on your screen now, Navin Patnaik. He doesn't give any of us the time of day. He doesn't need to. Because in his state, which is where it matters, and that's really the only thing that matters,
Ref and POXO prospective investigation and aspects of trial haibatimda SP Imphal West amadi prosecution branch Manipurani na khusam workshop ama pass MRG banquet hall da pangthokre workshop aduda districts and session judge Imphal West M Manoj Kumar district and session judge Imphal East Gaiful Silus Gonmai CWC Imphal West ki chairperson Irengbam Bikramjit Manipur State Commission for Women ki member Dr. Farida Amadi, RIMS ki Forensic Department ki Professor Dr. T.A.S. Mirana workshop Wangang ki District and Session Judge Imphal West M Manoj Kumar na Ref amadi POXO case asi yamna maruiba case singi manung amani case asi pairiba IO singna charge sheet matam sana court yonba mathok tai court langkhat kadaba charge sheet adu prosecution natraga senior officer singda panduna laikiba matamda IO aduna thawai yaungna file du court puthokna na matam punamakta thawai yaungna honagadabani Supreme Court ki yathang matungina aruba case ta IO singna mathodu masak khangdrabadi investigation officer oiriba mioydugi mathakta matik saba action lokatkani haibaru lei haike
Metal witnessing low matam delay when a matam low he was say, message suspicion gets over. View Supreme Court High Court ruling man. Aduna, Mayam the Kambigadopsi, Corsi, I judge Basu. Decisions are by the low we have, give him lapale. I know man, I have to Tajik and the Lobus Yaba, Tazaru and a low Yaba. Putting a side live, circumcising Aduna.
Dynamic Manipur Communications and Capacity Development Unit PSA Dina Sinduna Sustainable Lifestyles Waste Free Habitimda Ngasi Spirationals Episode 14 Classic Grande Pangtokre Taramaduda Lange Project Nongpok Sanjenbangi CEO Telem Arun Kumar ZS Plastic Agency Provider Sadokpam Ibotombi Yongna Muyana Sarwaki Sadokpam Ibotombina Ngasi Muiba Zatin seasonable polum singasi Mapam Sana Tamduna Amuk and recycle Toruga Atopoport Amo in a seasonable Yay Hike Act is Polisiga Marilena Sangwa Sagatpada Super Todang Logani Haina USA New Delhi Labor Ambassador Economics Environment Science and Technology Affairs Minister Kyorsellers Robert Gina Classic Granite Pangtokpa Paugi Mifamo Fangdokre Paugi Mifamoduda Trade and Connectivities Officer G Wessel Act is Policy Manipuri Convener RK Sivasindra Surgaki Robert Namakatana India Madi USA Leva Anigi Labor Papa Maria Si Hena Cecil Hananaba Kongtangi Saroma Oina Prime Minister Modi na Lumna Loriba Act is Policy Matanga Kupna Yangsina Gidamakta Infala Lakfani Moria the Ladiba Lalotiki Tabak Torum Yang Nungaire Policy Si Hena Mai Panganaba Skill Technology Information Technology Lambda Training Piba Madi at the Hidden Sing the Pangba Matang Pangani Hike.
Perspective of the United States of America, we hope to be able to support some of the economic development here, to try to work with the region, to work on the cross-border participation. There's some infrastructure projects that are underway. There are new roads being built. There are some new bridges being put up. But there are other things that need to be done. I think there's a whole range of work that could be taken on in this, whether it's in information technology and telecommunications, or it's in skilling and other types of technical assistance and training.
RK Sivasendrana USA ge Ambassador Act is Policy that Miang Sanglapasi and Obamayo Namane Lamdamasi Ban Block Electaba Mapamama Ohenduna Mapalamdigi Mating Hena Pinning Naba Honaduna Socket Lamdamama Oena Honor Sai
Quiggy Lambisida Kinari Mam says up, Koibok to set More to Infal to the Mapu set Pase Kinari. Sigi Akiba Giports a Koidagi locked for Kanda Guti. America, the Gi Chinga, Japan, the Gitching, Sidis, the Pazable locked to its no Mapam Kiasda. A question development or any equipment, the South Minani, the South Minaba Yadabase. Masita Wino, a Koi South Minarsi.
Koki Welfare Association Langolgi Silver Jubilee Thorum Langol Fangtokre Tormaduda Water Resources Department Minister Lepau Hokif MP Thangsu Baite ADGP P Dongel Yongna Koki Lusimu Kana Serwaki Minister Lepau Hokif na Langolge Koibida Kundariba Miam Yenglaga Langolda Playground Ama Tamnanaba Honabada Mahaki Maki Di Pangbe Mateng Pangani Masigimukta Lupa Lak Nefum Doigi San Pamom Supirgani Hain Miam that Tazafiki National Institutes of Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Parivar, National Confederations of Parents Organization, Amadi Parents Associations for Differently Able Manipur Sinduna, Marisuba Regional Parents with Lising Taraganipal, Ngasi Mongsang de Leba, BP Paul's Mental Development Home da Pangtokre, Taramadu the Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radakishore, Amjugi Hangi President, one kept Samjay Yong Namukana Sarwaki, Paribargi President and Bijurna intellectually disabled or Bangang Singbu Mama passing na so what Torang Loduna Matik Sabami Amam Oina Bahona Haike. Loktak Pata Numidangi Matamda LED Bluff Tanduna Nga Fabgi Tabak Satar Pasina Part Asida Nga Lebigi Sang Hanta Hanbada Natana Part Asida Matamatangi Saktaba Lakliba Miram Dagi Parakpa Usik Yong Lamdamasi Mahok Sada Laser Usik Sing Saktabangam Dre Lengagna compensation piduna part manungda fum thabgi thabak satabi yaroi haikrabasu hauzik naunamu part asida atha fum paktak nana thabgi thabak sathar liba se mari leinaba singna mieng sangbi tangai fataba leiroi haina kumam laikai ngami love cooperative society limited morangi maiki di fungdrole love ki general secretary kumam razena haikibada part asida athingba leina leina atha fum kaya thazilakpa sina part asi hanik film do arakpa yabgi mongda lakle atu matamda sangai festival houdingai mamangda lenga Naming Songbio Haike Sangnaiba Layakpa Miamna Arcesius Harga Kangnaba Raskumar Sendrajit Chana Singagi Marfudara Maridak Suba Bart Anniversary Ge Toram Ama Arcesius Art Gallery de Pangthokre Art and Culture Minister L. Jentakumar Padmashri Awardee Warafana Bana Atobimitung Lensing Oiduna Toram Pangtoki Lekhidraba Arcesius Ke Photo da Saruya Kiba Miamna Leisukat Ke Minister L. Jentakumar na Art and Culture Haiba Sinfamasida Sangmusang Krabadi Tadokpada Yamna Wawa Sinfamamani Lekhidraba Arcesius na Jeklamba Photo Kaya Ngasidi Miamgilan Oihore Photo Singasida Haukraba Manipurgi Puarigi Wari Kya Liri Mapalamdigi Amadi Fine Art Kilamda Sangsilakliba Mui Kyana Gallery Asidagi Matik Saba Masang Matum Kya Famangangani Ayakpa Laising Asida Manipur Nakaram Horkiba Culture Gilamda Kumang Cam Soksin Bamadi Kundariba Purup Singasi Tauna Cam Labagi Habidu Mayak Sing no Uba Fangali Hana Singtake
Artist mo bikin magun masih masuk artistic profession harusnya define to yang luar yang extra ko itu pun dah hari ni saya macam hari pun masih yang masih pun yang bukan masih atau pun yang peculiar character yang unique character itu pun dia ada ini singkai art and culture is not so the jaga yang tak ada now everybody says now it is a scientific world but scientific world is seen but the Japan was the artistic text yang very important and important
Lions Club of Kansipur International Associations of Lions Club District 322D na Sinduna PS Poster Contest ama ngasi wangkai da leiba St George High School da pangthokre Class 6 tagi 8 fawgi mahiru singna surga kiba tormaduda Lions Club Kansipur gi President L Setolna angang singilotun leiba hitoi sing thoiba du uthokna ba competition na si pangthokpani haike Tawal Police Commando Musung Kundruk Subasam Rifles ke pun Kangbo mana ngarang ayuk Faudel Kailen Bida Thibo Mugi Tabak Satabada RPF PLG member ma Fare Hari Police Department ki PRO ge Serola mana Parbamio Sigi Maming Tensubam Nabukumar Maite Sahini Pumapal Apopal Lekhidraba Ibobi Faudel Kailen Bidagini Amoram da Kaksing Police Commando Musung Kutramapal Subasam Rifles ke pun Kangbo mana Kaksing Bazar area da Thibo Mugi Tabak Satabada KYKL ge overground walker ma Fare Parbamio Sigi Maming MD Zamir Khan Sai Kunipan Apopa Lekhidraba MD Lukman Khan Jiribamgi Kaviranga dagini Kanagomba Hospital Amana Anaba ama Langba Ngamdraba Natraga Langbi Kudong Saba Leitrabadi Atopa Hospital da Tabigadabani Maduna Langliba Doctor to Gimagul Hangat Kani Hana Deputy Safe Minister Y. Jokumana Fungdokre Janims Geta Leba Horizons Hospitals and Research Institute ki Omlak Subamapo Komlo Namadi Nomigoiba Lemna Langbi Tormama the Wafamasi Magna Fungdokibani Tormadu the Kurai Kendriki MLA L. Sosildro Hospitalistic Managing Director Dr. Y. Yaima Health Services ki Director Dr. K. Rajosu Sugaki Waizo Kumar Makatana Dr. Singnana Bakudimak Tawayona Lang Biduna Muibigi Punsi Yarimakai Kanbangamna Bahanabatai Hausaki Matamda Hospital Kudimakta Research Institute Amam Tamba Matamuri Haike
High but particular patient with treatment the type of treatment required the adult who refer to Machine the Kapa Kali Medical Colleges College Mayama see the Susu Masila Gani Adubu I observation of the Pogdi high fields leader income with a coin your nimba thought I don't go to your Tribra Kali.
Ojasing the Henbelo Sing Pibagi Numidini Setter Kiba Torum Nasi Mantribuki Leba Rotary Vavanda Lucian Crape Rotary Club of Impalamasung Rotary Club of Polo City Infalna Punna Sinva Tormaduda Infal Iski DC T.S. Chitra, Lottery District 3240 ge Assistant District Governor T.S. Arun Kumar, Rotary Club of Follow City ge President Prabib, Lottery Club of Imphal ge President Dr. T.S. Shudir Ranjan Susuraki, Tungan School ge Oza Yankei Romna training asikana beloki, D.C. Citrana, Oza Sina Tungi Yumbi Oigeduru Bangang Singda, Larry Kakta Natana, and Losing Oigedabakaya, Tambibugi Matam Oire, and Wakalon Kaya, Oza Sina Tansin View, Haike. Manipur Panchayati Raj Institution Sing Matau Ningtina Tohana Bugi Matanga Nomoyoiba Panchayat Samelant Ama Panchayat Bhavan Porompat Pangtokre Mepamasi Manipur State Panchayat Parishad Sinmani Taramasida Parishad ki Advisor Dr. R.K. Ranjan Dr. N. Irabanta Parishad ki President M.D. Abdul Latif Adhiksa Singh Pradhanamadi Member Singh Susuraki Lakliba November Amadagi Imphal gi Thangal Ketil Mafum Kharada Makal Kodingi Injin Panba Gari Amata Sangalaru Haina Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar na Fongdokre Institutes of Driver Trainings and Resource Center gi Taramangarak Suba Mapok Komlun Toram ISBT da Pangthok pada Wapamasi Commissioner na Fongdokibani Institute asigi website amasu hangdoki Lakshmi Kumar na Makatana Manipur Lengang na Lawliba Khongthang asi Mamangda Imphal gi Mafum Kharada Injin Panba Gari Amata Sangan Kidabgi Wafam Lake Masina Maramorga Dukan Pamba Karana Dukan Sangan Dabana Makoida Asokpa Lay Haina Irang Hoki Lake Power Amasung Transport Department Anina Punna Kusum Narga Infalgi Nagana Lamatakta Ayunung Til Numitsupa Gari Tambaya Parking Ama Tamlagani Haike Ngasiki Tarmaduda Transport ki Joint Director BK Surma Center Asigi President Ace Dilip Kumar Susurgake
Hazard Stream the Equator Mainland Tarani, very common branch it of the Nova can see. Consider that the commodore, the home free movement, home the 1 meter opportunity, Sumarani, and the city Marie Nava, or down to Domangiva, Petito, or Polos,
Manipur Students Federation MSF ke Kunsuba Mapok Kumlun Thorum Kwakital Tonozum Lekai the Leba Community Hall Pangtokre Toromasida Federation Asigi President Ngariambam Milan Hanagamaru Bato Purum Singh Porai Lemolgi Imam Sobi Amadi Ati Civil Society Singulusing Sing Suraki MSF ke Vice President MD Sajapna MSF na Levaki Sukia the Mangzil Thana Lakli Tungdasu left and Mayam Gidamakta Sarugaki Haike MSF District Committee Ziribam Nusu Kunsuba Foundation Degi Torum Ziribam ge Babopra Leba PWD ge Guest House the Pangtoke Tarmaduda Azuka ge General Secretary M. Dharmendra Meite all Ziribams Apunba Maira Paibi President S. Susila MSF District Committee President E. Razib Meite Susurwaki Mapok Kumunasiga Mari Lenana Ngarang Pangtok Kiba Painting Competition Dama Komutang Tarva Singda Manamatum Yantoke Tongam Sazu Singa Memorial Trust na Sinduna Say Kuning Tongzu Kendri Manungda Toido Hendokna Mai Masingil Lamda Mitoi Men Basingda Manamatum Yantopi Torom Akam Pataleba Ibuda Wang Pural Khana Soba Sanglal the Pangtokre Tarmatu the Kendra Sigi MLSU Oriba Wax Minister T.S. Biswazit Marang Kendrugi MLA P. Sursendra Wangoi Kendrugi MLA Lukoi MLA Samuel Zendai MLA Dr. Radesh Sam Yumnam MLA T. Robindro Amadi Ramesur Susuraki P. Sursendrana Hausit Yamna Hidanabagi Malamasida Tenganabagi Damakta Sauna Tazaba Leba Pandam Wang Tamduna Aikuna Sangsila Punama my partner Honagadani Haiki Minister Biswazina Mairo Singna Asetpa Firef Amagalena my partner Ba Hiram Kudimak Honagadani Haiki
Society the poor array Adu society poor and I see Saba Hingmakidamata the Kitang Adum Loy Hingini Mi Sibility, Chana Helaka Manipura. Aduba Equina, Mio Bamapon Poor Kanda, Equigil societies that Lady Pudamak the Patapasing Kohana with the Mata, Zapatpa, Apagi, Society Mono with the Kari contribution, Piga the gay, Masi Pin one of the Aikari, with the Kalage, Masi, whenever one of the Karimasak, Changi is Hatters in the Kalaning in English.
Proportionals Representation की दमकता India Electoral Reforms के campaign का मरी लेने ना अनिसुबा State Conference Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall da pangthokre tarmaduda campaign asigi chief functionary Jyoti Raj National Coordinator Manas Jena Hana Minister Ramba RV Mingting Professor L Sadananda Kuki Women's Association ki President Rose Mangsisu Surgaki campaign asigi saromo oina MC Raj na iba electoral system haiba larik ama amasung campaign asigi policy document amasu phongki campaign asigi state coordinator Dr. M Narana India da housing sector electoral system asi miyam ge pama madi scientific oiba social development gi yenglagadi sanadaba system ni leriba system asibu proportional representation electoral system da hongdok pa haibasi malem gi leba kana pamna ba halakli India gi oina su tongan political party kana sogolakli ngasi India gi soba khudongsa da ba ama oriba senja thumja gi moroiba horofamasi housing leriba electoral system asinani system asigi soiba aranba mayam asina democracy gi sengma masak thialakli ba se mipum tingna wakal taminaba matamore haike
in the true sense milising kulungdoi gi vote sina invalid oheuraga only 7,000 voters in a valid way. Maramaduna, Doctor Potabakasu, system asina honorabnina in the interest of only a few minority represent of government or ever. Punamaxi Urakpadagi, electoral system asi Suntona Bohonarakpada, Wakal Tanabamajangi, Maduki campaign ever going to
EK Higher Secondary School na sinduna Mahiru Singh Tangdu Leitana Mahitama Fangna na Bamasung Manipur University da Mausagi Punsira Hanjilak na ba live Kurumbagi Toromama Sangakpam da Liba School campuses da Pangtokre Taramadu da School Sigi Governing Body gi Secretary P. Sursendra Principal K.A.S. Binod Kumar Principal Inchors W. Ibom Suraki P. Sursendra na University da Tangdu Leitaba ma Hanjilak na Mahiru Singh Light Tamba Fangan binaba amasung hausik mipung khudingna mi paiba ma poknriba si kokna ba thongnibagi tormasi pangthokpani haike UCM na sinduna Manipur miyam gi oiba soba October Mars Rally mingthonba miyam gi kholau puba khongset ma setka durba sida People's Action for National Democratic Movement pandam na mapung panasagot kani hari lubasigi serolamana karigomba NSN IM amadi India government anigi marakta agreement ma sign townarabadi khangawdana soba law and order karakpa yabagi akibalai maduna intelligence amadi security measure mapung phana lokhat kadabani haibigi wafam kaya yauri maram singa sida natana handaksu national paper sing sathriba pesto asigi matung inna Arunachal Pradesh ta akhanaba autonomous council ani aduga Manipur da ama sembagi wafam leiri haina pongdropada miyam khoisong nakhi ngasi su Manipur gi miyam da singnabagi wafam ama chong leiri maramaduna miyam na mikov nahom singna matam chupal leina na ba paujal puba khongsa da simapung phansi hairi hoji paugi marak tatna ateme brem tanglamse
Manipur da amata ngairaba organic outlet ta phangba organic ki pothoksin sizinasi
Combined tutorials for CBSE, the largest CBSE tutorial center in Manipur. Admission opens for revision. Class 12 CBSE 3 months revision course. Class 9 and 10 CBSE 3 months revision course. Class starting from 8 October 2018. Van service. Hostel available for boys and girls. Combined tutorials for CBSE. Sagwalbal Moirang Lerik Bachin. Bus parking.
Lengsin Viraksi, Bless Manipur 2018. Lag Lebo October Gitang Tara Taranipan. Dumidang Wairam Pung Mari Makai. Ibo Yang Sumang Lila Sanglen Konung Lampak Infal. Manipur Miam Gidamak Amasung Anayek Sing Gidamak Isogi Manay na Pratna Tawzagani. Tazabiu Anak Patokadori.
Jolip 100% natural syrup. Amasung capsule. Yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soglakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu
Imphal East ki Kongpan Chanam Lekai da leiba NT Enterprises hana MLA oiramba TH Nande ki sogi yumda hekta lakpiraga GKE rickshaw book tawbiba yaragani loinana pollution thondaba thaugi darka leitraba so askidamak bank loan oina su phongbigani hana lakpada hena khudum chabe pijari akopa marol 8974002140 da phongbigani
with the world-class infrastructure with multi-purpose outdoor hall, kid play area, football ground, swimming pool, tennis court, reception and waiting lobby, classroom, science laboratory, computer lab, library, activity room, cafeteria, where your dreams will get wings. UNACO School, Maitram.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khudingmakna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawiyu.
September thagi GSTR 3B return file tawbagi aroiba numiti lakliba October thagi tang kundani.
Sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawiyu.
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes Government of
This Durga Puja, celebrations and happiness will never end with amazing offers from Samsung. Buy a Samsung Galaxy smartphone and get a chance to win a Jeep Compass, Hyundai Eon car, Honda Dream Neo bike and lot more. Hurry, visit your nearest Samsung store today. TNC apply.
Break matunda taramrong seri makata pausing October kuntrama 27 kadaruba miyam yoiba kongset asida senra sangu sagat love amadi haibong pokpi nupi kunai association su mapung pana sagut pagalunana saruk yagni hari Manipur ga punwi saktam kanan bahona bada Manipur da khunda menir ba pumnamakna hona minor se hairi Tingkau Ragawang Sapiarax ke ahan ba youth conference Tingkau Ragawang Sapiarax Sabo Ans for Arms Manipur na sinduna Imphal gi Ragalong na pangtokre Toromuda Works Minister Thongam Biswajit Wangkai Kendrugi MLA Okram Henry Neroka Football Club ke President Thangzam Arun Kumar Ragalong paige Nampo Gonthang Mais Kwakhangai TRCP gi President Maisonglungs Panmaisu Surgaki TS Arun Kumar na ngasigi mirol na ikoi culture amasung traditions kaokthokuna horfam khangdaba mong manba mo urakliba si apaba khudam nate ikoi na amasung sanabi ngaktuna tamnaba honaba tai haiki Minister Biswajit na nahasing apaba education people loina nat ki sanabi thaksikasi khanganba maruoi hoge matamda khenaba wakhalo leiramba du thadoktuna amana amabu thajanaba nungsi sanabu mari hena sesel handuna sokhatpa maikai de purakna ba sepnina se haiki
Marakta akoi warep logano hai aduna akoi chawgum si society ma chawkhot minawje punamakki role lei tondagi khongbawtagi aduna punamakse punna saminaba ngamama matamda akoi society de mapung phana chawkani aduga akoi society di akoi far lacking behind le hore development da aduna masi akoi kamai tawgadagi je akoi punna punminaraga unity semba peace lehen ba je khwadagi mathawni aduna peace laitam phom da development lairoi aduna
Comrades Students Unions General Headquarter gi lising ni taranipal gi lising ni kunga mathoi fawba phampai gi union gi members sing ngasi wasak loduna thabak hokre Langol tarungda leba Grace Academy da union gi members sing bu Comrade Union gi presidents Amang Sartona wasak lokhi nauna khalaba Comrade Student Union gi presidents Karung Jingkomna Union national leba ki su kya lakpada civil society senior citizen amadi akangai singi pauktak matungina saruk yagni haike Lingthoingan bi sanu ko bi sei kunmirom surabe sekta makha lekai gi nupi ama sakki tang taragi ayukta mayumdagi thokibadi hanjilaktre mag fit manga insi manga wangi masapai masum sangi mana thoki matamda jin khrongau amuba ma setki t-shirt amuba ma litki kanagumba singna nupi si thengna birabadi manak nakpa police station pau piview hari Lamlai Kendra Hausi Sothariba Singh Yangsinanaba Lamlai Kendra Social Upliftment Organization Semkre Ngasi Pundo Mom the Pangtokiba Organization Asagi Mipamda President NG Sursendra Social Worker Mongzam Porehan Banamoriba Musing Wina Sarwaki Ngasi Commissions Asida Lamlai Kendra Manung Senba Singh Kul Mapal Hapsin Kre Lamlai Kendra Social Upliftment Organization President NG Sursendrana Sahi Kyagi Lamlai Kendra Atopa Kendra Singa Sangdam Nabada Hiram Kyada Swathaba Song Award Panapik Thale Social Worker Oina Miam gi Leriba Mongzam Porehan Baga Hana Tanarga Gram Panchayat Level the Committee Semduna Tabak Tominagani Haike DM College of Commerce Alumni Amasung Zanim's Blood Bank Kusumna Blood Donation Camp Mangase College Asagi Campus the Pangtokre Blood Donation Camps Asida Alumni President Dr. Mary Thomasna alumni amasung mahirui singa punna khusumnaduna ngasidagi hauna sei khudingi e pibgi thorangasi haudopani masina e mathau tarakpa mioi amagi punsi kanbada natuna ngamjaba mateng khara pangjaduna punna hengminaba haiba paujal loina haudopani haiki USA Embassy Delhi Global Affairs के advisor Saurav San Trade and Connectivities Officer Geoffrey अमसुंग Minister Councillor Robert na Moregi Integrated Check Post की Passenger Terminal Building the Labor Intermination Custom amadi Warehouse के फिबम यंगशन क्रे ngasi concert aduda Operationalizations of Act East Policy Manipur Convener R.K. Sivasundra Imphal Mandle Transport Union की General Secretary A.S. Bijenchu Sarugaki Tungda Hotel Irorada More the Labor Tuan Balu की losing was young me from Pangtoke. Thasi Kunga Matoida Pangto Kadruba Police Commemorations Mitka Mari Lenina Bisnupur Police na Mahiru Singi Life Sangdona Uma Bisnupur Police Station da Amadi Mayang Mangba Community Hall Pangtokre competitions Asida School Kungomdogi Class 8 to 10 Faugi upon Mahiroi Sama Kundrom Surwake Namor Police Station Sinduna Lining Tho Korifaba Sanglel Dasu Layak Sangano Pangtoke Sangano Aduda Namor Police Station Konba Mapungi School Taramari Madi Club Amana Sarwake Indigenous Women's and Children's Foundation Tamenglong na Sinduna Tamenglong District Mahiru Singi Oiba Ahanba Quiz Competition Ama United Baptist Church Tamenglong da Pangtokre Haudogi Toromda SDO Tamenglong Kasam Thai Faiga Gangmei SDC Tosem ke Riamai Susurake World Migratory Board Degamari Lenana Chief Conservator of Forest T.S. Mahendra Pratap na Miamgi Kongset Ama Mayang Imphal gi Shorungbung Digil Thakre Miram Digi Pyroktuna Lamdamasigi passing the Secretary Sexing Fabiginu Hyper Pausile Loinina Central Forest Division Tobal Forest Division Amasung Unique Wildlife Protection Committee na Sinu Satikiba Kongset Aduna Tuan Mofam Sing the Salur Matungda Mayang Imphal Ketala Leba Puja Lampakta Lusinki Miram Gusek Singh Kansi have a pausal piba video amasu Chief Conservator Fonki Miamda pausal poba campaign Satagadaba Gari Animasu Lamtake Manipuri State Parishad Zirbamna Raja Ramon Roy Library Foundation Kolkata Masu Manipur Library Association ga loinana Numitnigi Library Awareness Toromama Zirbamda Hodokre Tarmaduda Manipur Library Association gi President Tangzam Chawba Manipur State Parishad Assam gi General Secretary NG Basant Kumar State Academy New Delhi gi Manipuri Language Advisory Board ki member T.H. Brishunat Manipuri State Parishad Jiribam gi President S. Khogendra Susugaki Tuanba Resource Person Singna Library gi Thodangi Matang Wanganki Itay Lokongi Kudong Sadaba Lofam Singda Ising Fanganaba Kumbi Kendra di Unam Kendru Gilumi Singda District Agriculture Officer gi Kutangda Ising Singnaba Pamyan Tokre Tarmadu da Kumbi Kendru gi MLA S. Bira Bisnupur Municipal Council gi Councillor Singh District Agriculture Officer T.H. Joy Kumar Susugaki MLAS Birana Government Nasina Lomi Singi Yaifanaba Honabagi Saromo Oine Singi Awaba Mayok Naraba Lofam Singi Damukta Pamasi Yantokani Haike Manipur State Legal Services Authority Meng Makada Royal Academy of Law Inam Sinduna Nomigoba Legal Awareness Ki Toromama Academies de Pangtokre Ngasi Tormuda Additional ASP Operation Bisnupur K.S. Manihar Human Rights Network ki Director Mayobam Rakesh amasung Advocates NG Tes Kumarna Resource Person Singwina Wanganki Manipur State Legal Services Authority amadi District Legal Services Authority Imphal West ki Meng Makada United Progressive Development Organization Sinduna Nomigoiba Legal Awareness Program ama Terakaithal Leba Cable High School da Pangtokre Tormaduda Cable High School gi Headmaster and Nandikishore Organization ki President W Ibosoba Advocate Dane and Lokendruzit amasung K.A. Santa Susugaki Lamdengda leba Solid Waste Management Project gi Thorokpa Amotpa Ising Lamdengi Local da Thadarakpadagi Unsagi Laina Paksana Sandokle Lengakna project asida mieng sangbi dabadagi kunja singna October 10 dagi thingzile hairi lamdeng mayai lekai dagi singang bam open rona pomi singda project se pusilelba amot pa sing manam chendan hidak sai badagi lamdeng khol pumba namthiba manamna tupam chapam khangre haying su angabu phangna kalle manam khakta natana fada haudi faifamdagi thorakpa mahi labukta thadorokpadagi lok suba kunja sing unsagi leina paksana sandokle lenga sida project segi staff singna toriba thabak sing yangsin bina haijabada tabi dabadagi project se thingjin mani hari
pusalala ba solid waste ki fata hauti mayam si sungdi sungtokta paisalaga thamba maramdagi Masjid Centrak Tolak Manam Amadi Centrak Mahising Sina, Kunganga, Lebe Actaba, Suguma Mayam Si, Sarkan Su, Yang Bidarabnina, Lamdeng Paza Horaktana, Soliwes, Plala Tingan Haina Hogi, Lakai, Kungangi Pazasina, Ware Amar Laure Haina, ISTV Tonga, Nangsing Jerry.
Amarom lekai da angel singna fadahdi khongat pagi thabak torma du project si thingin kibadagi thabak leptuna leiri IMC gi di thobalom da puduna haidok le hairi Singtham Ningol Asem Ongbe Nirmala Missing Matangda Asuma Langa Langjil Puthok Triba Fawa Mapuroi Imung Manung Amasung Mari Lena Kuding Magna Aroiba Matau Mangam Mangani Lehul Lana Tonum Singba Pangtok Danaba Victim Gi Imung Manung Yaning de Hari Kwakital Haba Marak Irom Lekaida Pangtokpa Paugi Mipamamada JSC Convener Irom Surjitna Nupamay Mamadi Mari Lena Kuding Mana Matau Mangam Pangtok Pigno Hari Ngasi Zirwan Police na SP capsule lising kuntrani toy and 10 tablet lising taramatoi fare District Police asigi Special Task Force ki ASI Krishna Sung Zirwan Police ki team mamana polam singdo fagat kibani Kadana irema mara pabi love sugunuga kusum naduna mayai kawa sinza ki mayakta miyam goi bakana nena ba ama sugunu makalakai community holu pangthokre mipamaduda sugunu municipal council ki chairperson Morangthem Shoret Kadakaksing district committee ki president Sorokhaibam Nena development committee sugunu ki president A Manihal SDPO sugunu athokpam Romansu Surgaki Leimakol ki secretary AC Nganthoi Kadagi president in charge Hizam Priyokumarna Wangang Oiki ISTV network na lamnamasi tungan ba furup singi culture yokat na namba tungan ba thorum sing hapsin bagi seroma oina channel test 3 da kaboi conference amasung margi thorum sandokpa hore numidang waram pung taruk tagi Nepal fawa kaboi gi thorum sandokani thorum asi amuk hanna mathang numit ki nungthil pung amadagi ahum fawa sandokani margi thorum Numit Kudingi Numidang Pung Nepal Digi Tara Fawa Sandokani Amuk Hana Matangi Ayuk Pung Tara Digi Numimu Pung Tara Nitoi Fawa Yengba Pangani Komrengi Oina Tangza Kudingi Numidang Waram Pung Manga Digi Taruk Fawa Repeat Telecast na Nomizing Ayuk Pung Mapal Digi Tara Fawa Sandokani Koki Gi Thorum Singdi Integrated Channel da Hanadi Hona Sandopa Horabani Lamdam Sigi Mioina Manipur University ki BC Ohogdabagi Director Congress Committee BJP na Pugadabani Haina MPP ki President o Jugindrona Fongdokre Ngasi Party Office da Pangthopa Pawmi Singh Unaba Mipamada Mana Makatana Manipur ki Chief Secretary Oiramba Journal Singh MU ki Administrator Oin Lakpa Sitorana OE Adubu Congress Committee BJP na MU ki issue da khut Tingjinduna Numit Chamani Hana Larik Tamandaba Mairu Singh Aswapan Nangan Kiba Thong Janing di Haiki
Ngasi mak chhatra khunai amadi oja khunai da nimit chamani supna strike torokpa amadi Manipur University crisis lapasina maram oiraga aso apal leiribase masigi daita Congress amasung BJP gi makoi gi sinda bogdana ba amadi makoi khanaba amadi unkhanaba do maduna thopuni an MPP na lawi maram aduna masi amhona tawidana ba akoi sarkar da appeal tawri
Hoji makata ngasi sanabi Paulo Minese Ngasi Sanil Pauda Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground Sathriba Nepalak Suba Mazurin Baby Memorials Football Tournament ki ngasi sanakiba match da New Life Club Timna Khasi YC Timbo Goal Mapal Sinuda Thoikre Laglibitang Kulda CFC Amadi Mirpur FC Anba match oina sanagani anisuba match da NYC Amasung Mokamlungs FC sanagani Jiribam de Satriba Omlak Suba TS Herasinga Veterans Kang Tournament King Sisanaka Match da Sanamahi Kasarna LAC Babu Prabu Pansil Taratare Taranitoi da Mighty Pikre Lalibatang Taramanga da SAYC Sro Atingbi Amasung Sanamahi Kasar Sanagani Sama Nepum do Suba Battalion CRPF na Sinduna Satarkiba Inter-School Football Championship ngasi irang ground lusin kre Championship asida Rengpang Khongsang irang amasung Awangkhul Part 2 gi School Sanuri Singna Sarukya ke ngasi lusin bagi Toromda Battalion gi Second in Commandant SAS Odes Kumar Amadi Kunja Singh Yauna winner oreba Residentials Model School Team da Manamathum Singh Yantoke Huyalalong Thangta Association Manipur gi Miang Makada Jiribam District Thangta Association na senduna ngasidagi taramapalak suba State Thangta Championship Jiribam gi Vidyanagar da leiba multipurpose sport complex ta hokre haldopagi dharomda DC Robert Ketrimem Organizing Committee gi President E Dilip Kumar World Thangta gi President Huidrom Prem Kumar Susuraki Andhra Pradesh ki Visakhapatnam da leiba Aqua Sport Complex da sathriba taramangarak suba National Master Athletics Championship da Manipur gi Lenin Khuraizm na sahi nefudagi nefu mari gi kanglo ki meter yankhai gi freestyle da ani suba da tare meter sani gi medlit su man suba tare Lamsang Lamzel ima gi dama Run for Motherland gi T-shirt thangbai banda leiba Sangai Services Cooperative Office da release tokre Tormodu da Sangai Services ki Krishnadeva UNESCO Club Manipur ge Joint Secretary Dr. Thoksom Chandramani Susarwa ke Lamjal Sida Saru Yagadab Singh da research sing su yantoke All Manipur Bodybuilder Association ge Mikal Pangthok tuna Nomai Kapam Ratanbu President Yumlembam Sumantabu General Secretary Khankre Anoba Executive Asida Vice President ani Joint Secretary ani Treasurer ama amasung Executive Member tara yauri Sambalpur University Orissa da October 15 dagi pangthokadriba East Zone Inter University Football Manda Manipur University gi mod sinanaba sanroi kun reserve taret yauna khankre khangalaba sanroi sing coaching gi damakta University Football Ground da thasi gi taratareta report tawna ba khanglakli Amaromda Pandit Ravinga Sankar Sukla University Raipur da October 15 dagi hogadruba Nupam Sunupi gi East Zone Inter University Table Tennis Tournament ta Manipur University gi mohot sinanaba nupa sanroi taret nupi sanroi taru reserve ani ni yauna khankre housing makhata ba sanabgi pau boy ning thokjam gi phangbigini
Biramangon College Sombungi MM Wahidur Rahmanna Nupagi Best Physics ki overall champion oikre Liberan College Luang Changbam amadi Manipur College na Nupa amadi Nupi gi powerlifting gi overall champion amadi Resident College Lilong Sajing amadi A School Women College Nambol na Nupa amadi Nupi gi weightlifting gi overall team champion oikre Manipur University Sports Committee gi miyang makhada Resident College Lilong Sajing na sinduna college asigi indoor stadium da N Surendra Singh Memorial Manipur University Inter College Nupa amadi Nupi gi weightlifting powerlifting amadi Nupa gi best physics tournament ngasi pangthokre Thormasida Minister Karam Siam Resident College Lilong Chajing gi Principal Ais Tilaksan amadi College asigi governing body gi Vice President W Gonendrona Thormapu Singh oiki Nupagi Best Physics KG Humpugi Pangthokibada Resident College Lilong Chajing gi TIS Niranjoyna Ahanba KMC Kaksingi SS Santos na ani Shubha amadi Government Polytechnic ki Y Hemo Chandrana ahumsu poison taki masana asigi KG Humpumanga gi kangluki pangthokibada Manipur University Kanchipur gi Samim Anwar na Ahanba Maharaj Buddhachandra College ki Jennifer Akoizamna ani Shubha amadi Manipur College gi Yangkham Bharat Saina ahumsu poison taki KG Humputra kangluki pangthokibada Biramangon College Sombungi MM Wahidur Rahman na Ahanba YK College Wangjingi W Sanjoy Nani Shubhamadi Dem College of Science ki KS Johnson na ahumso poison taki KG Humputara manga kangluki pangthokibada Resident College Lilong Sajingi Robert Mayang Lambam na Ahanba Imphal College ki Biswananda Oinam amadi Manipur College ki Soibam Jack Singna Anishuba Madi Ahumsu Poison Taki Nupagi Well Ipting Masanagi Pangtokibada Regional College Lilong Sasingi T.S. Niranjoina Kezi Humatoi Kanglupta Ahanba Moirang College Gi and Samsana Kezi Humpudrom Dogi Kanglupta Ahanba Biramagon College Hombongi Z Sitaranjana Kezi Marfumapon Kanglupta Ahanba Madi Kha Manipur College Kaksingi M Johnson na Kezi Samag Sumna Nigi Kanglupta Ahanu Poison Taki Masana asigi nupigi kezi yangkai mangagi kanglupta Waikomani Girls College Thobalgi S Roni Balana Ahanba Regional College Lilong Sasingi PIS Rani Balana kezi yangkai mapangi kanglupta Ahanba S Kula Women's College Gi Huma Sorina kezi humpumergi kanglupta Ahanba Imphan College Gi Puja Moirang Temna kezi humputra mathogi kanglupta Ahanba Regional College Lilong Sasingi KSS Prame Sorina kezi humputra tuki kanglupta Ahanba S Kula Women College Gi Priya Laishamamadi College Asigi El Pusparanina Kezi Humputra Trugamadi Kezi Madfutariki Kanglupta Ahanu Poison Taki Tarataruk Shaba Kesu Kumar Memorial First Division Football League Tournament Ki Ngasi Sanakiba Mersingda LYA Wangu Amadi PYC Kairak Mai Pakre District Sports Association Kakching na Sinduna Association Asiki Grounda Tha Sigi Tang Mapaldagi Team Taruna Saru Yaduna Sathariba Tarataruk Suba Kesu Kumar Memorial First Division Football League Tournament Ki Ngasi Sanakiba Ahanba Matcha LYA Wanguna DYA Elang Khang Pupibu Gol Ahum Sinoda Mighty Pikibani Ani Shuba Merski Sanakibada PYC Kairakna KMSWC Kairakpu Gol Manga Anida Mighty Pikre Taris Suba Let El Kuber Singh Memorial Kendra Wise Likam Knockout Open Kang Tournament Ki Ngasi Sanakiba Matcha Wangoi Kendra Kangkut Team A na Wangoi Kendra Kangkut Team B Bu Mighty Pikre Manipur Kang Association Gi Miang Makhada Longjam Joy Kumar ni sponsor Toraga Wangoi Kendra Kangkut Sinduna Tha Sigi Tang Taretegi Kangkut Taramangan Group Mari Thokna Khaidoktuna Wangoi Longjam Lakai Community Hall da Sathariba Tournament Asigi Ngasi Sanakiba Matcha Wangoi Kendra Kangkut Team A na Wangoi Kendra Kangkut Team B Bu Panjal Tarahumdoi Taramatoi da Mighty Pikibani Hayeng Kangsang Asida Oinam Kendra Kangkut Amadi Kaisamthong Kendra KKCO Kangkut ka Sanagani
Tagasiri boy Huzi Makata Ngasi Nomi Go Kiba ay ngasagi Paulo Bise
Environment Directorate ki pangkiba ngasi goi kiba inga samadi nungjugi pauda khwaidiki sakiba Celsius degree 16.2 khwaidiki ingba Celsius degree 12.9 Nuksita yawising manilgisang maximum na sada mariputara Nepal minimum na sada 16.8 oike Ngasi ginong suki bagisang 3.8 millimeter ni.
Loisala putang sige maru pausing amukan napizre. Manipur University Wathoki Warusin Purang naba government ka wari sana bada yana ba propangam khidre. Haithoi singdore ba naha kya putok tuna act is policy gi kanabo mapung pana lahu nabo hona batangai padi haina governor Dr. Nazma Habdullah na haikre amadi singdo mangkok thok pagi maroi ba maramdi atopa lamdagi saidang lakpa mioi masing hengalak padagi ni haina Syam Kumar na phangokre ngasi go inati as TV ni bizaba Manipur pa mutang slojre meng tabri puno po mukana krum jare